is our new piece of art, BFM-22. Compact design, high performance, certified, and full documented vertical packaging machine. The BFM-22 is a vertical packaging machine designed by our German engineers with many added features that turn your production experience efficient, productive, and sustainable. The BFM-22 can handle many bags, size, shape, and types. And let me tell you a secret done by our manufacturing engineers. They managed to lower the error rates of the weighing system. I'm talking about a difference weighing range between 0 to 0.5%. With the integration of HMI SCADA system, the packing production unit will be easy to control. Less human interface is needed, and with a vertical conveyor system will facilitate the main product feeding process. Cell weighing tower contains the CIP and the air dryer system. What this machine can handle is a chemical and food product like mozzarella cheese, dry fruit, pasta, sugar, detergent powder, and much more. Up to our German technology, this machine has been made as a food-grade 304 and 316 stainless steel. At the end, the BFM-22 has been made up to international manufacturing standard of ISO, UL, and CE.